Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society kala penpau ya ka jingthrang ban aji kai Pyntbit Khambun yakinas khanang bakin yo letre syakari Germany. Haba pentep yakani ha ka khatsan tarik uyayong ahrajar arpsan ha ka jekaran bakila pathai kubor ka menteri jongka sorkar jela ka bakmi ya ketenan ka koch ka khia ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo kalaong ba ka Mssds ka juya selok bat ki babun ki nongtre bat ki shlem ajing sumar ki badon hakari Germany ha ka bakila penpau ya kamon sya ka sorkar India bakan aji Hikai Pyntbit Khambun yakinas khanang bakin dupla ban letre sya Germany kum kinas ha ki jaka ajing sumar.
So the Mssds again is in touch with the company, with several employers, health facility centers from Germany, and they have expressed their interests to the government of India to also train some more nurses so that they can go to Germany and work as nurses or nursing care providers. So what happens is that the Mssds has prepared a QR code for citizens to scan. The moment you scan, and if you're an eligible candidate and you have all the prerequisite qualifications of a specific kind of a nurse, in this situation it is a GNM nurse. Your name gets registered once you scan the QR code. Your name is then sent to the employer, who's the interested person who will engage you in the nursing practice. And then they will have a selection. And this selection, candidates will be called to the Mssds center at Umsauli, which is now going to be shortly inaugurated, where we're going to be having a center for various agencies for training of language, of additional skills as per requirement of the destination country that you will be going to. So this is a good opportunity for all of us. Once the government of Meghalaya undertakes through the Mssds this particular training, some portions of the training program will be covered by government in due course of time. Like we did for the nurses, once the selection procedure is over, they are then given some assistance from the skill development program of the government of Meghalaya, and they are paid for to a certain extent by this fund. So a lot of the Mssds centers at the districts are already functioning. Now we just have to have a headquarter where classroom situations will be initiated, and the project is well advanced in its stage. Just a question of inauguration, but labs, classroom situations, everything is already under construction. So we are looking at it as per the demand that comes from various countries. So depending on that, we are also again working hand in hand with the Japanese embassy. Now it's going to be with Germany, and it could be many more other languages. If you don't start the ball rolling, then there will be no takers for the project. So we would like to inaugurate the project once we have a substantial number of citizens already engaged in various training programs. But in the districts, the Mssds is already functioning efficiently. Let us look at the demand. We take a call once the demand is first made known. Right now we are sending this message to citizens that if you are interested, scan this QR code, you will be contacted for further inputs and details for registration. And then we will cross the bridge once we know what are the kind of numbers that are coming. So like I told you, we had seen keen interest on qualified nurses from the state going to several countries. Already in Singapore, people have started going. Already in Japan, several batches have gone. So this will continue to build over the years. And this is good because this is a window of opportunity for qualified personnel who are otherwise just sitting in the state, not engaged in any activity. A good number of nurses are already out. I just have to take an update of this.